Hello, my name is Keegan Gallagher, and I am taking computer science and software engineering at Gull Lake through CTE Kalamazoo. And today I'm going to talk about my drone experience coding these drones and how I learned how to use them. So, as you can see right here, this is simply just the bare bones of the program that comes with these drones. These are the Tella-Drone 2.0. So they come with this basis for how to essentially start coding. And then I have a software development kit on my computer that helps me do different commands. So let's run through some of the commands that I've done. So first, we did a little of just messing around, and that's in my playground. So I'm going to check out this commit really quick, just so we can see what's in here. And I'm going to go to the square, and this is the drone making a square, but I'm looking for something different. Here, let me check out playground. I believe this is the right one. Alright, so the Python is not configured for this project. However, I do have a video of me doing. So this was me and my partner, and this is us simply making the drone flip a couple times. I would play the audio. However, this is what all the drones sound like when the audio is on. So, well, I guess you can't hear it in that one, so I'll pull up a different video. In this video, you'll probably be able to hear how loud they are. Alright, I guess I guess I won't. But anyways, you could take my word for it that they're very loud, and they are just quite obnoxious. This is the square we're watching right now, so this would be from my square commit. This is not the playground. Playground was the last video. That was us making it flip and do some fun things. So here I put it inside of an if loop, so essentially it goes forward, it turns 90 degrees clockwise, goes forward, and it will just repeat that 4 times because a square has 4 sides. That was the easy part about learning how to use the drones. However, eventually we had a competition to try to get through a 4 ringed course. So we're going to go to my first loop. Well, actually, I'm just going to check out this whole commit so you can see all of the finished code. So this is the entire code to get through the course, and first it takes off, then it goes up essentially 5 centimeters, I believe that's what it is measured in, and then it's going to go 200 centimeters forward. So I will pull up a video of it doing that. Here's the drone. You can't see it, but it just raised up, and it's about to go forward through the first hoop, the first of the 4 hoops. So there you go. Next, we have this is coordinates to go to through the second hoop so that it goes up on a line and not up and then forward in a sort of 90-degree angle. I wanted to make it go in a straight line up. So to do that, this is how that turned out. This is including the first hoop. So as you can see, it goes through. It's going to wait a second because the drone is receiving it after every digit that I put here. There it goes through the second hoop. Every time I put a 6, that's it waiting 6 some sort of time. I'm not sure how much it is. It's less than seconds, but it's more than milliseconds, so who knows. But I put this here because the drone receives it 1 line of code at a time. It's a little outdated, but I found out how to make it work. The reason that this says 15 is because this is a very long code. This is essentially a horseshoe around the second hoop to the third hoop, and then after that it's supposed to go down and forward. Because of the nature of these drones, this whole experiment did not work super well because the drones would constantly die. There would constantly be errors for no reason, and every single time you ran the drone, you would get a different outcome. So as you can see here, it's going to miss the second hoop just simply because the drone decided to veer off a little bit. Sometimes the drones would even go up and then backwards. So essentially, there was just a hardware error, but me and my partner did with the best with what we had, so we could make the best project. And as you can see, it's making the horseshoe right now, and here it's going to go through the third hoop, and then it's going to go down and miss the fourth hoop, but I had to catch it because it fell. So as you can see, I used all of my programming skills to make the drone go from my computer to the actual physical hardware. And the way that I did that was by connecting to the drone via the internet, the Wi-Fi, and I had a dongle or some sort of device that I plugged into my computer so that it connect to it. And every single time I wanted to play the drone again, I would have to reconnect it, and it was a very arduous process. So hopefully, when I become very wealthy, I will be able to donate to Gull Lake so that we can get better hardware for these kinds of projects. But other than that, thank you and have a wonderful day.